Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you the offset triple time stamping technique. Last year I did a video on triple time stamping, and then recently I saw a different spin on this technique and I couldn't wait to show it off to you. I'm going to be using the Tasteful Touches stamp set from the annual catalog, which is the featured product in October's Creativity to Go. So if you're interested in receiving this stamp set, plus the prepared supplies and tutorials to make 5 cards, be sure to visit my website and sign up for the October Creativity to Go. So the measurements are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a matte layer of 5 by 4.25 inches, 3 white pieces for stamping on, 4.5 inches by 2 inches, 3.5 inches by 2.5 inches, and 2 1/8 by 2 1/8 inches. Then there are also 3 matte layers that go behind each of those white pieces. 4 5/8 inches by 2 1/8 inch, 3 5/8 inches by 2 5/8 inch, and 2 1/4 by 2 1/4 inches. So the first thing I'm going to do is run this layer through my embossing machine with the Old World Paper 3D embossing folder to add some texture. I'm absolutely crazy about this folder. I think it adds so much dimension. I have a hard time staying away from it, to be honest. Just look at all the awesome texture that brings to your project. It's just totally irresistible. Now I'm going to take these 3 pieces of white cardstock and line them up the way I want them to be. This is why it's called offset, because this isn't symmetrical. I'm just going to use a little dot of adhesive. I don't want to use too much because I'm going to take them apart later, but I just want to use enough to stick them together while I'm stamping. You'll notice I'm using my not high quality adhesive to do this. So that's all you need, just a little bit to stick them together. And now I'm going to stamp some of the images from the Tasteful Touches stamp set onto my white pieces. And I'm going to be using soft seafoam and Pear Pizzazz ink pads. I'm going to take these white pieces gently apart, and I'm going to attach each white piece to its corresponding matte layer. Now I'm ready to assemble my card. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. And if there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I'm not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to sign up for Creativity to Go, which means once a month you'll get prepared supplies and tutorials delivered right to your door for you to complete on your own schedule. Remember to sign up on my website by October 10th to receive this month's featured stamp set, Tasteful Touches. I am also hosting casual Zoom crafting sessions where you can bring any project you happen to be working on and enjoy a fun social crafting time with others. Find all the details on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I want to let you know that I have a Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, where you can join a weekly creative challenge and win a prize from me. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess Code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your very own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping!